Using the image-based pass, we can actually light a scene solely using maps. And to set this up at the pass level is pretty simple. There's actually a pass preset we can use called the image-based lighting pass. So if we select that, we're actually prompted to use an existing clip in the project or to get a new clip from disk. So I'm actually going to grab a new file off disk. For the image-based pass, we can use both normal type images as well as HDR type images. To use an HDR image, you'll want to convert it to a .map format first. So you can use IMF copy from the Softimage command line to convert .hdr files to .map format. I've already got a .map file here I'm going to use, so I'm just going to select that. And what the image-based pass basically does is it applies an environment shader to the pass, and you can see it here, and it turns on the final gathering options for the region as well as the render options. So you can see now I'm rendering with final gathering on, and what you're seeing there is a quick preview mode, and now it's refining it even more. So usually with the image-based pass, what you want to do is, well, depending on your scene, but you often don't want the lights to contribute much to the scene, since you just want to light the scene using the image map. So I'm going to take my light and actually bring it down to 0. And there you can see it's relying more just on the image now for the lighting effect. On the actual environment shader, you have some controls to modulate kind of how the image map is used for lighting. We can control the background intensity. So in this case, we can just dim it down or actually turn it completely off. We've got a control for reflectivity. So here I can decide how reflective I want the image map. So as I bring that up, you can see the table here, which is a reflective object, is picking up the environment a lot more strongly. So you're getting a stronger reflectivity on the actual objects. And the last control is for final gathering. So here we can actually determine how bright the object is for final gathering. So here we've got a bit blasted. As I bring it down, you can see we can cool down the effect. So by tuning basically the reflection and the final gathering amount, you can set the map to exactly the level you need for your lighting. And that essentially is the image-based pass.